Hi there, welcome back. A few videos ago, I did a part 1 on how to care for your Pochette Metis. That was rather specific. It was kind of like an unboxing of my bag inserts as well as the protective stickers, and I promised to do a part 2, which specifically is a tutorial on how to paste hardware protective stickers. And this doesn't apply just for Pochette Metis bags. It applies for any bag, I guess. And so I'll be doing a tutorial using two kinds of protective stickers to show you what I learned as I was applying it so that you don't repeat my mistakes and you don't waste your protective stickers. Let's get started. So these two inserts for the Pochette Metis, I got them from Carousel and they cost $30.20 Singapore dollars. And for this box of protective stickers, I have 5 sets of the front buckle as well as 2 sets of the other hardware parts. I also got forceps, these coil things, 3 patch installation cleaning kits, which come with a spectacles cleaner, wet wipes, dust absorber, and 3 guide stickers per pack. And protective stickers with 3 different peel-offs are the best. If you can, get these. For this box, I paid $30, but I think it's worth it. I needed all these extra sets because I messed up a few times and luckily I could use a new piece so that the hardware on my Pochette Metis looks perfect. Between this $30 box option, I also had the choice of choosing a set with just 1 set of protective stickers, and I don't think it came with any of these extra add-ons, forceps and cleaning gear and all. So that cost $16. So if you just top up $14 to get a few more extra stickers as well as cleaning kits and all, then I highly recommend you get the more expensive option. Alright, the final part of this video will be me explaining how I paste these hardware stickers. They are not as simple as they may seem, and I took 1 hour to paste all of them. So I'll go through my process right now. I first used this spectacle cloth to clean the hardware, and then I used the wet wipe to clean the hardware again, and then just to be safe, I picked up this dust absorber sticker, and what you have to do is just to press and it will pick up the dust. So I will be sharing with you how I pasted the front of my bag, and for this I have 2 different types of hardware protector stickers. So if you ever buy this kind of sticker, then let me demonstrate how to better paste these stickers because it is a one-time only. If you mess up, you will not be able to reuse them. Otherwise, scratches can be seen or air bubbles, and it will just really look very ugly as though you scratched the buckle or the hardware yourself, which is not the case, and it really defeats the purpose of pasting these hardware stickers when your hardware doesn't even look good. So one time only, and that's why I think I highly recommend that you get more than 1 set. You buy a pack that comes with more than 1 set and don't buy multiples. Okay, so first I use a guide sticker and I paste it just at the corners. You look at the alignment and then align it. I would suggest for this top part, you align these two first and then paste it downwards. You have to be very careful at this corner because it slopes down. It has a bump. So you have to make sure that you press it in very well so that there are no air bubbles, and you move on to the end. And that's it. That is how this type of sticker works. I didn't use this type of sticker for the front because I messed up all 3 times, and it really made the front, especially this top V shape, triangle shape, look really bad. So I was really glad that they gave this type. This type of hardware sticker is the best kind you can get, and I'm sure many places sell it. The good thing about this hardware sticker is that I don't have to use forceps, and I don't have to use my fingers to touch the sticky part, just maybe slightly when I am peeling out the white part. So what I do is that I bend the white part and automatically I get this. So I just have to align it and then paste, and of course make sure of this wave down. Okay, so when I first put it on, I didn't know that there were 3 layers, but I kind of suspected there were 3 layers. So when I put it on, there were quite a lot of scratches and it was a bit blurry. So I suspected that there were 3 layers, just that I had a tough time trying to pick out the 3rd layer, and thank God there was a 3rd layer. So now it looks much nicer, and I'm very happy with how it turned out. So highly recommend those with 3 layers. These are fine as long as you have more than 1 set. In fact, just get more than 1 set. I think 5, yeah, I took 5 attempts in order to paste the front. The rest, I had 2 tries and they were okay. We have finally come to the end of this video. If the tutorial or this video as a whole appeared messy, I'm so sorry. I'm still learning, but in any case, I hope that at least the recommendations I gave on what type of protective stickers to buy or how many help. And that is all. I hope that you can give this video a like and please subscribe to my channel. See you soon!